Tired of fumbling with your physical card? Let's unlock a world of seamless crypto payments by linking your Bybit card to Apple Pay in under 2 minutes. First, make sure you have the latest version of the Bybit app installed on your iPhone. Open the Bybit app and tap on the card icon, usually located on the home screen or within the finance section. Once you're in the Bybit card interface, you'll see your card details. Look for the Add to Apple Wallet button. It might also be an Apple Pay logo. Tap on it. This will automatically redirect you to your Apple Wallet. You'll see your Bybit card information pre-populated. Review the card details and tap Continue in the top right corner. Apple Pay will then present you with its terms and conditions. Read through them carefully, then tap Agree to proceed. Now, you'll need to verify your card. Choose your preferred verification method, usually either SMS or email, and follow the on-screen instructions to enter the verification code. Once your card is verified, you'll see a confirmation screen in your Apple Wallet, indicating that your Bybit card has been successfully added and is ready to use. That's it. You can now use your Bybit card with Apple Pay at any merchant that accepts contactless payments. Enjoy the convenience and security of using your crypto for everyday purchases. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more crypto tips. #Bybit #crypto payments.